Is your Sony TV showing no signal on the HDMI input? Don't worry. This is one of the most common issues, and I'll guide you through simple step-by-step solutions to fix it. By the end of this video, your TV will be back to normal. Step 1. Check cable connections first. Make sure the HDMI cable is connected securely to both the TV and the external device, like a set-top box, PlayStation, or laptop. Sometimes the cable looks plugged in, but it's actually loose. Reconnect it properly, and check if the signal appears. Step 2. Switch HDMI ports. If the cable is fine, try switching the HDMI port. Sony TVs usually have multiple HDMI inputs, HDMI 1, HDMI 2, and so on. Plug your cable into another port and use the remote to select that port from the input/source menu. This helps identify if one port is faulty. Step 3. Test with another HDMI cable. Sometimes the problem isn't with the TV, but with the cable itself. HDMI cables can wear out over time. Try using a different HDMI cable to see if the signal works. If it does, your old cable needs replacing. Step 4. Restart devices. Restart both your Sony TV and the connected device. Turn them off, unplug them for 30 seconds, and power them back on. Many no-signal errors are caused by temporary glitches, and a restart can refresh the connection. Step 5. Adjust TV settings. Go into Settings, External Inputs, HDMI Signal Format. Make sure the correct HDMI mode is selected depending on your device. For example, set it to Enhanced for devices like PlayStation or 4K players. Incorrect settings often cause the TV to not detect the signal. And that's it. By following these steps, checking connections, switching ports, testing cables, restarting devices, and adjusting settings, you should be able to fix the HDMI no-signal error on your Sony TV. If the issue continues, it may be a hardware problem and contacting Sony support is the best option. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more TV fixes.